What are we all plank about? Step out clean tonight. I make somebody know say yo, do not call my name in a mix up. Nobody call my name in a no mix up, none at all. Remember, please guys, like up the video free for like it up, hit that like button. Yeah man. Then I step out clean. I make them know say yo, stop calling my name in a mix up. Guys, Donna never specifically call nobody name, but me know who she attack. Jaja. We know who she attack already. And for those who don't know, people, Your Majesty me a call her name. I mean I got hide and talk. Your Majesty was the one we talk about Donna recently. You see me I say, but I never address him directly. I call him name. But me a go on for what I go on. You see me? So remember again, like up the video and then subscribe to the channel and leave a talk down below. Now people, listen to me again clean now. Listen to me again clean. Now Donna as somebody where everybody talk about, everybody love, everybody will respect. You see me? That's why Donna name would always kind of things. You see me? I wish she not involved in nothing at all and thing. Because remember the people, you have some people on social media and them call Donna name forget content, you know. Them call Donna name forget hype, you know. Them call Donna name for various things. You see me? You have some people that said Donna start to mix up on all kind of things. So Donna name is always call regarding certain things. But the woman says no want a name call and mix up on things. Nothing wrong with that. Because for me wouldn't want my name a call and mix up and me don't involve the mix up. You have some person on social media that say, boy, Donna love mix up enough, because Donna watch all the mix up platform them. So everybody have them opinion. But Donna don't want a name call and mix up. So whosoever call a name and mix up, them need to stop it. You see me I say? Them need to stop it, of course, and I agree with that. If me no say, me not involved in the mix up, I don't want my name a call up in a certain thing. Because just imagine, me at my house, and somebody call my name and I say certain things, and me know a mix up. That not look good. Me not gonna feel pleased about that. Me not gonna feel happy for no say, yo, my name a call and things when me not involved in that. No, my family and my friends them sit, I say, no man, that I love mix up, man. No man, that I love mix up. You see me? And look at this now. Look at that scenario, people. If Donna did love mix up and she loved it in the past, and Donna decides, you know what, enough is enough. And I'm not saying that she was a mix up person back then. What if that's the case and Donna decides that you know, me don't need mix up and thing. I saw the people them would want insert her in a mix up. And then now the haters them say, yeah man, a long time Donna involved in a mix up and thing. But me would just watch her on this and that page. See me? And then them have content to talk about, and then you realize say them have talk about Donna in a way in which you know go so. You see me? So for everybody who call Donna name in a mix up, them need to stop it. Them need to stop it, because if you know certain about a thing, don't say it. You see me? But what Chris was saying is that him no want Donna relationship becomes sour because of Rose Kitchen and Vlog. And we know say Donna rate Rose Kitchen and Vlog. You see me? Also Donna's son love Rose Kitchen and Vlog. So him not really want the relationship between him and Donna go sour. You see me I say? Yeah, him not want it spoil like when food spoil. Him want to make sure say him and up on a level. You see me? So if this continue, if the conflict between the two of them continue, maybe Donna might cause some more. You see me? But people want to be honest. Tell me what you think about it. Let me know. Let me know when you feel say Chris wrong to call Donna name. When you think say call Donna name. Also when you feel say Donna name is free to call. You see me I say? When you feel say Donna is not bigger than anybody else and nobody can call her name. What you feel? What is an honest opinion? Because right about now people, the thing does set away right about now. And if you want to popular, people can call your name. They might call Andrew Honest name that mix up. They might say Andrew Honest wanted and all kind of things. They might say Andrew Honest about 4 or 5 different bank book. So this is a globalized thing what people do for draw a crowd, for get attention, for get views, likes and share. You see me? But we can't see where Donna come from, because Donna don't want herself get involved in certain things, because she know when her name call, the enemy them are gonna run out. The enemy them are gonna happy. the enemy, they have content to talk about. You see me? They might rejoice, they might say, yeah man, a long time, they're not involved in a mix up. And then I must can't free for talk because she want to talk. Say, she must free for tell the people, say, please, no insert my name in a mix up. You see me? And I never expected Chris to call Donna name. Chris could have easily well deal with Rose Kitchen and Vlog. Because remember this, if you want Rose Kitchen and Vlog have anything, Donna not gonna get involved in it. Donna not gonna be busy about it. The two are gonna deal with phone situation. So when Chris called Donna name and thing, it never make sense. Because if him decides say boy I'm not want him relationship bad between him and Donna, it not bad. You see me? It not if bad and you and Donna in things. Remember enough people involved, enough people on social media involved in Donna, like should I say involved in things with even close friend Donna, Donna make it better. Donna just move on with her life. Because she knows that's how people stay. She knows that people can call up her name, that's why she don't want herself get involved in certain things. She knows that Laurie and Marcia can be the whole of them tea girl. I can talk about her and spread some liar thing for her because she knows in a fear herself say these individuals have some big platform and when they come on them live and talk, they have different person that is watching and listening. See me I say? Yeah man. And then we go and spread all kind of lie upon people. But in idea, Father God know the truth. God know the truth and He know everything at all. And some of them will stop it. Not all you Chris, but many other people insert that name and mix up on them thing there. Yeah man, that's when me call her name the people. Me call her name based on what I see she do and what she say out her mouth. So nobody can't come tell me, say me, I insert her in a mix-up. I remember a couple months ago, then I come out and say, me, I insert her in a mix-up, must not use a picture and thing. But picture not have nothing to do with the mix-up. See me? It's what me say have to do with mix-up because remember you have person from different country that watch me. You see me? But, me I tell you this, guys. Me I tell you this. The social drama is too much. It's so sensitive. It's so sensitive. If you not be careful what you do, you get yourself in trouble. If you not be careful of a platform you go upon, you get yourself in trouble. Yeah man, you get yourself in a blasted trouble. So I'm going to say again, company so, speak 2 words and go back to your yard. Simple as that. Go drink some champagne or do something because this social media is too much. It's too hectic. It's too, it's too strong. And when you understand, say yo, when you understand this, say yo, you see the more social media become like this, is the more problem you're gonna have. Because people must free for talk what they want to talk, so people must free for do what they want to do. You see me? Because me can come out and say, boy, I don't want Chris call my name now. Insert me and mix up now. See me? I'm just giving an example. And it's up to him if he want to listen. Because no matter what, people are always call their name. Yeah man. Whether good or bad, they can always call her name. Remember, Donna is not God. She is not God her name. Free for call. But depends on how you call the woman. If you call the woman name, the woman mix up and the woman and mix up, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense at all. Yeah man. And if you understand this, people deserve them privacy. And remember, they have a business, she have a brand, and she have kids them over so. And you can wait for no say yo, and him will call in a certain drama where they're not involved in. You see me? That no look right. That no look right. You see me? That no smell good that spoil. But some of them not understand this. So it takes one to know one. So if me a thief, that means me a thief in friend. Yeah man. But I could just leave it as it is, people. I'm gonna leave it as it is right here. So remember to hit that like button right away. And remember to subscribe to the channel. So when I drop new vids, only get the fresh news. Remember that, people. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna drop one more video and things. So look around for that. I'm gonna talk about teenage next. Yeah man, I'm gonna talk about teenage next. I'm making know I'm going to what I'm going because no sir. Like teenage get to like she come from England now, she come out back strong. You see me? So guys, talk. Thanks everyone again for watching the video. Thanks everyone for liking the video. And thanks everyone for leaving their thought in the comment section. Boom.